Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. In the video we'll show you how to make money simply by copying and pasting. It is very simple, and even if you don't have any experience, you can do it. With this brand new strategy that I'll be showing you today, you can actually earn $1,455 or more a month. Imagine when you wake up in the morning and see payments in your account. I'm going to show you today a strategy that allows you to purchase all the things you've always wanted and even give back to your family. This strategy is free, so if you have no money right now, there is no need to worry because you won't need to spend anything in order to do it. This is also available worldwide, which means that you can do it wherever you are right now, and they accept anyone, regardless of experience. So the video does not require any sort of technical knowledge, so it is perfect for everyone. You must keep watching the whole video because at the end of the video I'll be giving you some exclusive bonus tips that will help you earn more. You will not find this on any other video because some people do not want to share this with you. So here is the Top 4 Earn video. Thanks for watching. I teach you how to make money online and what to do to make it happen. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Let's get started. So here is what you'll need to do. Visit a website called Amazon.com. Some of you may already be familiar with Amazon because you have ordered something from them before. You can see on the Kindle books section that there are a number of people selling ebooks on this website that are actually making money from them. Here's where you can see that this person is selling this book for this amount, and you'll see that more Kindle ebooks are being sold on this website, and some of them are even selling at a higher price. I'll teach you how to do that and earn money. One thing that you can also see in this page is that there are actually a lot of people who purchases these ebooks. This one had 10,000 buyers, another one with 20,000, and this one with 50,000. Just imagine if we were the one who was selling these ebooks. You'll be able to make a lot of money from it, and the best thing about this method is that you don't need to be a writer or even write your own book. There is an easier way to do this, so keep on watching to know how. Let's try to calculate this. Okay, one Kindle ebook is, let's say, $14.99, and then 1,800 people will buy this ebook, and as you can see here, you can earn up to $27,000 with one ebook in Kindle, and you don't need any experience, you don't need any investment. This is absolutely free, and all you have to do is just copy and paste, and I will show you how to use a done-for-you template. So make sure to keep watching, and we're going to make big money online together in this video. The website where you can get a free done-for-you template is called Vism.com. If you are not familiar with this website, this actually allows us to create a professional looking ebook which we can sell on Kindle, just like this one right here, and we can sell them for a lot of money without any experience at all. I've divided this video in 3 different steps for you to easily follow through, and for step number 1 you need to choose a template that you want to use here on Vism. When we scroll down below you can actually see that they offer a lot of done for you templates which we can use for free. How cool is that? Step number 2, all you need to do is edit the template which you selected. I will actually show you later on how to properly do this step, and for this last step simply download the ebook you've created and then start selling it on Kindle. After that you can just sit back and watch as earnings go in your account day after day. It's that simple. So in order to start with Vism we first need to create an account, which is 100% free. Okay, once you're in the home page of this simply click on this blue button right here which says create your free document, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you can choose between these options on how you want to create your account. Just choose any of them to proceed with the sign up process. After you've created an account you will now need to set up your account, and they will be asking you some few things which are very simple. You just need to click on any of these options, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can now start to look for a done for you template. You can see here that they have a lot of options for you to choose from. To save time from choosing, simply look for this one which says ebooks. Click on that and you'll be redirected to a page where you can choose free and done for you templates. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below. When you scroll down below you can see that there are a lot of templates which we can use for 100% free, and when we scroll down further there are literally hundreds of different done for you templates that you can just click and edit. Take your time and look for something which you really like. As mentioned in the beginning of this video, I will now give you the first bonus tip. The niche I want you to focus on is health and fitness, because a lot of people actually look for ebooks with those topics. In my opinion, this niche is the most profitable one, which means you can make a lot of money from it without a lot of competitors. So what we need to do now is look for a template that is suitable for the health and fitness niche. For this video I'll be choosing this template right here. As you can see, this looks clean and professional, and it's very suitable for the health and fitness niche. If you want to see what this template looks like, simply click on the preview button right here, and then you will be shown what the template looks like. If you don't like it, you can always choose a different one, but I'm satisfied with this one, so I'll be choosing this template. Okay, on the right hand side you can see all the pages of the ebook, and as you can see, it's all done for you. The layout looks professional, and this is something that a lot of people will buy on Kindle. So what this ebook needs is an interesting title, because I think this one doesn't really sound that interesting. In order to change the text for this one, simply click on it and then type in whatever title you want. You can also change the font style, color and font size. Just take your time until you get the result as you want. So I will now type this as a title because I think it sounds interesting and people would want to know more about this ebook. Once you're done with the edits that you want, just click on download button right here, and then you can choose what format you want the ebook to be. I suggest you choose the PDF option, since we will be selling this ebook on Amazon Kindle. Now the next bonus tip I want to share with you will actually help you to find free ebooks where you don't need to edit anything, and you can automatically sell them on Amazon Kindle. The website I want you to check out is this called freeploredownloads.com. When you scroll down below, you can actually see that there are a lot of free ebooks that you can download, and you don't have to worry about copyrights, because these ebooks are actually free for everyone to use without any copyright restrictions. So the category which we will focus on this website is still the same with the previous one, which is all about health. You can find that on the left hand side of this website. Simply click on that one and you'll be redirected to this page where you can choose any of these ebooks. Once you've chosen the ebook that you want, simply click on that, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can just scroll down below and then click on this blue button which says download, and that will now automatically download on your computer. The last thing to do is to upload the ebooks on Kindle, so simply go to kdp.amazon.com. As you can see here, get to market fast. Publishing only takes less than 5 minutes, and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 hours. This means a lot of people will be able to see your ebook, and whenever they purchase your ebook, you will earn money to start uploading your ebooks on Kindle. You first need to create an account, and to do that, simply click on the sign up button right here, and you will be redirected to this page where you need to input the needed details, and then click on this yellow button. Once you've created an account, you can now start to upload your ebooks, and Kindle will be the one to process everything. All you need to do from this point is relax and wait for your earnings to come, and that's how you can make money with Amazon Kindle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.